Hey, it's Kevin from the BK Show. Word. I just want to say, we haven't been on in a month because, it's summer, so we're just kind of, spending some time with our friends too. Hanging out, being lazy. Hope you guys had a happy summer, and I'm just checking in to say, I have a lot of ideas, he probably does too, so we'll just put them together and make a lot of videos. I'm used to the computer, but yeah, talk, whatever. Stupid. Yeah. I just want to say we have a lot more videos coming soon, update, so yeah. Oh, by the way, thank you to, I don't know if I'm going to get this right, Reddidom89 for the vlog, posted 3 weeks ago. We didn't see it because, again, we were offline, so, yep, thank you to him. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it right. So yes, thank you. And also thank you to our first friend, Aiden5151. And thank you to all of our subscribers too. So yes, this is a thank you to you guys, and thank you to all of our friends and all of you guys' support. So thanks again. Bye.